Hello, welcome to my video. In today's how-to video, it's about Adobe Premiere and how to speed up footage in Adobe Premiere. So let's get started. So we are in Adobe Premiere Pro workspace. I got my timeline set up so I can show you how to speed up the video. So this is the video. It's a dashcam video and I'm going to show you how you can cut a bit out of your video, or if you have a ready set video, you can use that. If you select the piece that you want to change the speed of, you select it, right mouse button, speed and duration. You have multiple options. First of all, you got percentages. You want to change it 500%. And then it speeds up the video 500%. Or over here, you can be more specific and say, well, you know what, I need exactly 20 seconds for, let's say, a vlog or something. And you get something like this. Now you have an empty space, but let me show you. This clip is exactly 20 seconds, but you can do more. Speed and duration, let's say, you want to do it 500% just for the video. You can reverse speed. You can maintain pitch, so the audio, and then you get something like this. So your video doesn't sound like a Formula 1 car. Unless that's what you're after. Now you know. So there's another thing you can do, and that's combine a couple of things, and then you can say, let's say I want to have it 500%. I want to maintain the audio pitch and tick box ripple edit. Maybe I even want to reverse the speed. Okay. And now it looks like this. So what happened here is, first of all, it reversed the video. The second thing it did is keep the audio pitch the same. The third thing it did was take away that empty space. But if you want to make it fit a certain edit, there's another one. Rate stretch tool. And now you can actually make it fit to other clips. And let's say I want to fit it to a different clip, and it's exactly here. Ripple, delete, take the empty space out, and that's it. Just to make sure. And if you still want to change the audio pitch, go over here. It's already set. Fixes the audio. And there you go. So now you know how to not only increase speed of a video in percentages, the exact seconds of time or minutes, whatever you want to set to the exact time. You can reverse the speed of a video. You can change the audio pitch to fit the normal way it sounds. You can ripple delete, so take out the empty spaces. You can even drag it to fit your edit. Very convenient for vlogs and that kind of stuff. So for me, it's thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And on to the next video. I hope I helped you. Have a nice weekend. Please like and subscribe, and on to the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.